Hi guys, make dinner with me. This dinner was a very quick fix because it took me literally under 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. So I've got some pre-marinated chicken that I stored in my fridge. So I marinated this with my go-to peri marinade. Let me know if you want the marinade recipe and I'm going to drop that for you guys. So I'm going to spray my olive oil on top of the chicken and then I'm going to pop it into the air fryer and let it do its thing for 20 minutes. So I'm going to move on to the baby potatoes that I've got here. I'm going to cut that in half and pop it into the microwave for 5 minutes until it's done. So as for my salad, I've got some lettuce in the bowl and I'm going to add some sliced bell peppers. So I've got red and yellow bell peppers and I'm just going to add that into the mix. I love the pop of colors, how vibrant it looks. And also I'm going to add some sliced cucumbers as well. And add that into the mix. And I'm also going to shred my carrots with my peeler. I just love the look. I just love how my carrots look when I shred it like this. And I'm going to add that into my salad. The colors are really popping and vibrant. And I've got my cherry tomatoes and onions. So as for the onions, I'm going to pickle that. So I'm not just going to add it directly. I love to pickle my onions. So the potatoes are done and I'm going to season that with some butter, some parsley and some all-purpose seasoning as well. And after which I'm going to mix and allow the potatoes sit in that flavor just so they can absorb all that buttery flavor. There's the finished look. And now I'm going to make my salad dressing. I'm going to add some olive oil, vinegar, mustard, and I'm also going to add some garlic peri and dark soy sauce, ground black pepper, crushed chilies. Yes, crushed chilies, it's optional, you can skip that if you want, and vinaigrette and all-purpose seasoning as well. And I'm just going to mix until it's fully incorporated. And you know what I said about pickling my onions? I just love the onions to be so seasoned. So I'm just going to leave that in for like 3 or 5 minutes just to absorb the flavor. After which I'm going to add that into the rest of the salad and mix. Guys, when I tell you this salad is the bomb. For the non-salad eaters, I promise you're gonna love this because it's very well seasoned and very